guys, we
We
are
are
back
back.
again with another video, and this time it is another video of Kenshi
Kenshi
Onizu.
Onizu.
We have did Bow and Arrow before, that was the music video, we loved it, and this time it is Yuzuru Hanyu
Yuzuru
short
Hanyu
program
program
version.
version.
So let's get going with the video because I'm really excited about Kenshi
Yeah,
Onizu's
man.
ice skating.
Let's go.
He is just the, like, I have seen a lot, but he's really just the best.
Yeah.
I love his ice skating, honestly.
Yuzuru Hanyu short program version.
Ooh, what a starting. Like, I love this cool tone.
Yeah.
Like, throughout the time, they will maintain cool tone, I guess. And
Yeah.
I'm guessing this is really. And also, this is ice skating. So, if you use the cool tone like this, it's working,
Yeah.
right? It's working
It's
very
working.
well.
It's just his performance. Let's
Yeah.
watch Yuzuru Hanyu.
Ooh, wow. Wow, 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 wow. Wow. Just normally, if you think, if you spin like that, you will be
Too-
dizzy. In a few seconds, you will be
It's
dizzy.
too good.
And he's doing that without any, like,
I'm
and
watching.
then,
We are watching this video for the second time, but it feels like new.
yeah, as fresh as new. Wow. Oh, wow.
How
What
he
is
dance.
happening?
So good.
Wow.
Oh.
Oh. Honestly, whenever I hear bow and arrow, I always feel like this is a kind of this is kind of a like anime song which could be
Yeah.
featured in an anime, kind of like that. You
Kenshi
know,
Onizu do the anime songs actually.
the way the song starts and ends,
He's an
it's
anime
really
song
like this.
singer,
Yeah,
anime
that can be seen in the way of singing,
Yeah.
way of
That's why it's
choosing
blue
music.
tone and all.
Yeah,
It's
yeah,
more
yeah.
like anime, like
And I
color
feel
grading.
like that any anime starting with this song would be a banger.
Yeah, intro.
Yeah,
of the
intro
anime.
song, yeah. Ooh.
Oh, so cool.
Wow, wow. Yeah. Man. Ooh, ooh. Wow. Wow.
So good.
Wow.
Wow,
Ooh.
what a
I love
spin.
that. I love that spin. I love the spin in the
What a
air.
spin, guys.
I love that spin in
it.
the air. Ah!
He
Love,
is
love,
also
love
lip
this.
syncing with the song.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
It's so good.
Ooh.
Wow. Dude.
The way the song is really
Man,
just flowing
empowering.
fast. It's really amazing. And honestly, again and again, if this song is any intro of any anime, it would be a banger song. It would be
Yeah.
a banger anime as well, I guess. Like
Yeah.
it is giving that kind of vibe. I have watched a lot,
Really, man.
and honestly, the best so far that I have liked intros in terms of anime is Attack on Titan, honestly. And those were the best intro songs that I have ever watched. Even outros as well, even theme songs. If you listen to them now, you will get some, some power in yourself.
Yeah.
And this also got the same kind of vibe. I really loved it. Ooh. Oh wow!
So smooth.
Wow! Wow! Wow!
So good.
The way he moves, it's really, really smooth. The way he
Yeah.
moves, it's so smooth. Oh my god. Like, I think ice skating is really difficult, and
Yeah.
the way he stops, like, it has brakes, and in real life, it doesn't have
it's
any
getting
brakes.
faster and then he slows down.
Slows down and
it's
stops,
so
just
random.
stops. He just
Yeah.
stops there, and it's really difficult because you cannot stop. It's sliding.
Yeah.
It's sliding continuously,
sliding.
and then he stops and does this. It was paused for like 10 seconds, or
yeah.
maybe not 10 seconds, but rather 5 seconds, 3 to 5 seconds. He was just staying there. it's really difficult because it's
Difficult
just
to
sliding in the ice. That's just ice and metal. It's
He's
just
so
slicing.
good. He's so good.
He's really good.
Really good.
The way he controls his balance
Yeah.
and does all of that, it's like it has brakes. It's
Yeah.
so effortless.
I think so.
It's so effortless. Ooh.
Look at the lighting
Yeah,
and
yeah,
all.
yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh my god. Even the spotlights cannot keep up with this.
Yeah. So fast. and
Yeah.
So flexible also. He's
So
so good.
flexible.
Look at him dancing.
Oh my god. Wow.
Wow.
Man.
Oh
Ooh.
man. So good.
Oh my god. Oof. It's
He's
like the
amazing,
song was
man.
made for him. It's like the
Yeah.
song was made for him, exactly. Like the
He's so
lyrics
good
and
at it.
everything. And he's so good at ice skating. It's just amazing. Amazing. So much power, man.
Yeah.
So much
Love
elegance.
this.
Oof. Oh man. Ooh, ooh.
Ooh.
Oh man, wow. Wow.
So good.
Like when you just normally standing balancing in one feet is not
Yeah.
easy, and he's ice skating with spins and everything, and he's just standing in one feet for so long.
He's good.
This is something different. I think skating and then again gymnastics both are really a hard thing. Dancing again has a lot
Yeah.
of things, but hard thing to do is that like you don't have any control over it. Sometimes you have to make the control by yourself.
Yeah.
The way you move, the way you feel, the way you balance yourself over the things. You know, gymnastic and skates are the hardest sports ever there is. I think, in my opinion, there are more harder, of course, but in my opinion, of course, because it's not about just power. It's not just about how much strength you have. It's about the
Yeah.
brain, how you do things, how you make use of that. How can you stand? How can you move and do these kind of things? You know, these are really difficult, and so when you do that, you have to be very careful that you don't push this, push that, or maybe just balancing yourself is also a
Yeah.
challenge.
Also important.
Balancing yourself
Yeah.
in 2 feet is also a challenge, so it's
He's doing
really
it so good.
really nice.
We have to appreciate that.
Oh man, wow,
It's the
just a
end,
star.
guys.
Just
What
the
a
star. Just, it's like a star.
Star, yeah.
Man,
he
this
is a
was
star.
really amazing. Honestly, I
Love
love
this.
this. Thank you so much, guys. If you're still watching, do like, do share, and also do subscribe. We will see you in the next video. Until then, you can watch our other videos in the channel. Until then, bye bye.